Welcome to Cars Insider, the channel where we explore the most iconic and legendary vehicles ever made. If you love classic cars, luxury rides, and powerful machines, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Today we're diving into a true American icon, the 1970 Cadillac DeVille, a car that defined luxury and power in its era and still turns heads over 50 years later. The 1970 Cadillac DeVille was the pinnacle of American luxury at the time, a car designed for those who wanted nothing but the best. It was big, bold, and beautiful, embodying the essence of Cadillac's reputation for prestige and comfort. Cadillac was known for producing some of the most refined and advanced vehicles of its time, and the DeVille was no exception. With a massive presence on the road and an unmistakable design, it stood out as a true statement of wealth and status. When you first look at the 1970 Cadillac DeVille, the first thing that strikes you is its sheer size. At over 225 inches in length, this was a car built to dominate the streets. It had a long, sleek body with clean lines, sharp angles, and an overall elegant presence. The front grille was massive, featuring a signature Cadillac design with horizontal chrome bars and a prominent crest. The quad headlamps were housed in rectangular bezels, giving the car a distinctive front-end look that exuded class and authority. The long hood, the sculpted fenders, and the sloping rear end all contributed to a design that remains timeless. Moving to the rear, the Cadillac DeVille featured the brand's iconic vertical tail lights integrated into the rear fenders. This was a signature design element that made it instantly recognizable. The chrome bumpers were large and wrapped around the body seamlessly, adding to the luxurious appeal. The vinyl top, available in different colors, was another classic touch that enhanced the DeVille's premium feel. Everything about the exterior screamed elegance and prestige, making it one of the most desirable cars of its time. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that was nothing short of a luxury lounge. The seats were massive, plush, and covered in high-quality materials, either leather or velour. The front bench seat could easily accommodate 3 passengers, making it a true 6-seater. Comfort was the priority, and Cadillac ensured that every journey in the DeVille felt like a first-class experience. The dashboard featured a clean design with a full set of analog gauges that provided essential information to the driver. The wood grain trim added to the upscale look, while the padded steering wheel felt solid and refined. Cadillac equipped the DeVille with a range of luxury features that were ahead of its time. Power windows, power seats, climate control, and an advanced AM/FM radio were all standard or available as options. The car also had one of the smoothest ride qualities thanks to its advanced suspension system designed to absorb bumps and provide a floating sensation on the road. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the DeVille delivered an unparalleled level of comfort and refinement. Under the hood, the 1970 Cadillac DeVille packed serious power. It came equipped with a massive 7.7-liter V8 engine producing 375 horsepower and an impressive 525 Nm of torque. This engine was mated to a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, which ensured a smooth, effortless driving experience. Despite its size and weight, the DeVille had strong acceleration and could reach 60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds, which was impressive for a luxury car of its time. Fuel economy, however, was not its strong suit, as the large V8 was quite thirsty, averaging around 10 to 12 miles per gallon. But for those who owned a Cadillac DeVille, fuel consumption was a secondary concern compared to the unmatched driving experience. Driving the 1970 Cadillac DeVille was an experience like no other. The soft suspension and long wheelbase made it feel like you were gliding on air. The steering was light and effortless, making maneuvering surprisingly easy for such a large vehicle. The brakes, while not as advanced as modern systems, were reliable for the time period. This car was built for relaxed cruising, providing a sense of serenity and isolation from the outside world. The cabin was quiet and refined, allowing passengers to enjoy a peaceful ride whether in the city or on the open road. Today, the 1970 Cadillac DeVille remains a sought-after classic. Car collectors and enthusiasts appreciate its combination of luxury, style, and performance. Finding a well-maintained example can be challenging, but they are still available on the classic car market. The price of a 1970 Cadillac DeVille varies depending on condition, originality, and location. Generally, a good condition model can range between $15,000 to $30,000, while a fully restored showroom-quality example can go for over $50,000. Limited edition or rare models may even reach higher prices at auctions, making them valuable investments for classic car lovers. Owning a 1970 Cadillac DeVille is not just about having a car, it's about owning a piece of American automotive history. This was a vehicle that represented success, elegance, and power during its time, and even today it continues to hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Its timeless design, luxurious interior, and powerful V8 engine make it a true classic that stands the test of time. For those who appreciate the golden era of American automobiles, the Cadillac DeVille remains one of the finest examples of what made that era so special. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who simply admires classic cars, the 1970 Cadillac DeVille is a vehicle worth celebrating. Its blend of style, luxury, and performance ensures that it will always be remembered as one of the greatest Cadillacs ever built. If you ever get the chance to own